بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum and good noon everyone. How are you all? I hope that you all would be doing so well. Today instead of English literature, I am giving you explanation of the project of science. So first I'm telling you how you have to do that. You have to do that in written form, either in written form or print out, and you have to give a soft copy you have to send the soft copy on the given link. Okay, so what is the topic you are about to write on? The topic is how a hydroelectric plant produces electricity. This is your topic, and furthermore details are given in the homework assignment, and you may read from there, and you can do better as you can. So let me explain you how hydroelectric plant produces electricity. Hydro means water. First of all, what happens that when it rains, so the river gets overflow, and then the water comes the means the because of being overflow, so the extra water comes into the dams, and then from them the water falls with pressure onto the turbine is an equipment, and in the turbine there are electromagnetic coil which is made up of copper, and it produces hydro energy, and this hydro energy is converted into electricity, and it is sent to the power station, and from power station it is transported to the city, or any different places where the electricity is required. First, let me know that why dams are means usage of dams, and what is the purpose to build them. The purpose of building dam is it stores water, and the second purpose is that it produces hydroelectricity power. If we say that means why do we need to build a hydroelectric plant? So the simple answer would be that these days we are facing the shortage of electricity. We're normally having electricity failure everywhere. So through this way or through this technique or procedure, we can get the cheapest form of electricity, and we would not be giving any means it is the cheapest way to produce electricity. Okay, so this is the project you have to do, and I will be joining you back after a little time till till you have to open your rough copies or whatever for the language lecture.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Hello, once again I'm here with English language lecture, and today we will review or we will learn how to use quotation marks. It is the part of punctuation mark, and we can say it is the member of punctuation family. Okay, I have put some of the sentences on the board, and the sentence number one. Before I go on to the sentences, let me tell you that quotation marks are also known as talking marks, speech marks, and they are also called quote marks and inverted commas as well. Whether you use single quotation marks or double, it is up to you. So the first sentence, Harry sighed. Harry sighed, I didn't mean to break the window. In this sentence, how do we use quotation mark? Because we are having a quotation here. You will come to know after I will put quotation mark here. So we use quotation mark when we are separating the quote of a character, or we are setting off the speaker from its quotation line. Harry sighed. Okay, I'm just Harry sighed, comma, because I separated the speaker. I didn't mean to break the window. Here I am quoting the words of Harry. Alright, I have quoted the speaker's line or speaker's quotation. So here we have used quotation mark. Sentence number two, his name is Ben Impossible John. So when we are showing, or when we are showing any special characteristics of any name or any person or anything, so we use quotation mark. His name is Ben Impossible. So here impossible is a special characterization. So we will put quotation mark. If you want to put single quotation mark, single inverted commas, you may. I have put here double. Sentence number three, we had a chat with neighbors yesterday. We had a chat with neighbors yesterday. So here quotation mark is being used to emphasize a word, a specific word. We had a chat with neighbors yesterday. Sentence number four. She told her bonjour, good day when they met. So here again one word which is giving us the specific meaning. So we are putting here. We will quote it. She told her bonjour, good day. Bonjour means good day when they met. Okay, sentence number five. Helen Keller, early life is my favorite lesson in the book, Tom said. Here we will use quotation mark to show quotation in the quotation. How would we show that quotation in the quotation? Helen Keller early life. Helen Keller early life is itself a quotation. Okay. Then is my favorite lesson in the book. It is already a complete quotation. Fine. So we use quotation mark to separate the speaker from its spoken line or from his or her words. In the second, we know that special names are quoted. We had a chat in sentence number three. We had a chat with neighbors yesterday. We emphasized on a specific word chat, so we quoted it. In sentence number 4, she told her bonjour, good day, when they met. So good day we quoted. Helen Keller, early life is my favorite lesson in the book, Tom said. So there is a quotation in the quotation. Okay, we have double quotation. So we have quoted Helen Keller, early life is the favorite lesson in the book, then we quoted it completely. Same as we have separated the quotation, here we have done the same. We have separated the quotation from the speaker, and here then other quotation we have Helen Keller, early life. Is that clear? Okay, let's come on the second topic, which is apostrophe. Okay, you can write down the sentences. Okay, let me explain you first. So here apostrophe. Why do we use apostrophe? We have three uses of apostrophe which we will learn. In the first sentence, the sentence is Robert, as I have given here in extra, I'll be giving you explanation. Let me remove it. Robert car is expensive. Now in the first usage, we will talk about the position. We will talk about the position of a singular noun or a plural noun. Okay? Position means the person who owns something or something which is owned by a member or which is owned by a person. Simply we are indicating towards position. Robert car is expensive. We have to use apostrophe in this sentence to show the position, indicate the position that car belongs to Robert. How would we show that? After Robert, we will use apostrophe then S. Robert's car means the car of Robert. Lisa home is clean. We know we have to show that the home was of Lisa or the home is of Lisa. How would we show the how would we show position between two of the people, two of the thing? That Lisa is a noun here, okay, and home is also a noun. Lisa's home is clean. We add apostrophe and s when we are having singular noun. When we are having singular noun. As singular noun. In sentence number 3, the children's. We know that children is itself a plural noun, but it does not have s. Simply I say that here I have written in sentence number 4 students. When we make plural of a student, it becomes students. But here some of the nouns, some of the words does not add as imperatively to show that they are plural. So children is itself a plural noun, so it does not have s. So what we have to do to show the link between the book and children, we will use apostrophe s. The children's book. It means books of children are neatly covered. Same as in the sentence number 4, the students' bag are packed. Here students is a plural. So we needn't to separate them. After s we will put apostrophe. Okay. If it is student, if it is singular, so then we need to put apostrophe then s. It is already a plural, so after s we will put apostrophe. In sentence number 5, I will go. I have written 3 multiple phrases. I will go. She has. They would. Was not. Now the second usage of apostrophe is to show some missing letters. To show some missing letters or to make contraction of the word in the sentence. Okay. I will go. Here it is a complete proper sentence written. There is no contraction or no letters are missing over there. I will. Then we will make a contraction of I will. Or we will miss a few letters. I, apostrophe, then L. We missed WI. This sentence has given us contraction I and we have missed few letters. She has. What would be the contraction of she has? It is she is. And if it is written here is, so it would become she is. And if it is written here she was, it would become automatically she is. Alright? They would. So they would become date. Okay, we omitted omission of the few letters. We omitted WOUL and it becomes they would. Was not. It will become wasn't. Okay. I'm writing an exemplary sentence here. They would go. They had gone. How would we understand? How would you understand? This is the complexity you may feel while reading that there is a contraction present and you are not getting that which means which tense is being followed by the contraction formula. They would go. When we will make contraction, so it will become they'd. And after that we have main verb. So we will understand that they would go, then it is after go, means the sentence is that they, it means you have here D is would. Here D represents the would, and here it will become date, but here we have used the past participle form. Both sentences follows the same rule, but we can recognize the tense by means by observing the forms of verb we have put here. They would go, they'd go means here is would. They'd gone, it means there is had. Is that clear? The third usage of apostrophe. Apostrophe is used to separate the S from letters, numbers, and abbreviations. One of the PhDs came forward first in the batch. I have obtained 4 A's. My phone number has 2 4's. So here in the sentences, this is the third usage of apostrophe. Here in 3 of the sentences we will use apostrophe to separate the S. It will become plural. The words I have written, the number or abbreviations I have written, they are in plural. So we will separate the S from the numbers, letters or abbreviation in the sentences. Okay. One of the PhDs, we will put apostrophe before the S. Come forward first in the batch. Sentence number 7, I have obtained 4 A's. In sentence number 8, my phone number has 2 4's. That clear? Furthermore, you may practice the sentences. You may make sentences to make your sense clear. I have told you the 3 of the usage of apostrophe. You have to practice them because they are most needed when you are writing a paragraph, text to make something comprehensive or readable. Okay, take care of yourself. We will meet again, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.